Who would agree that home automation can be simple, easy to implement, and yet very effective? Doubtful? Let's clear it now. Hi, this is Vineet Wadhwani. I am representing Trident Automation Systems Private Limited. While working with a lot of developers and builders and giving them solutions for their various security systems requirement for high-rise and mid-rise buildings and apartment complexes, we have been asked questions that what can we give as a solution wherein it can add value to the purchase which is made by an end customer. And home automation has really been the game changer. It has really added the value to the overall purchase that is made by an end customer. So let's have a look at it now. So here we're depicting two automation plates wherein this is the first user interface, which is a glass plate. It can take care of 6 lighting circuits and 2 fans. Similarly, we have another plate here which can take care of 6 lighting circuits and 2 fans. So we can design the solution as per the requirement and the lighting circuits of a particular customer. Then when we click, as of now this is in a standby mode, so when we click on it, it shows what all lights are as of now on and which lights circuits are off. So the ones which are blinking with the orange color LEDs are the ones which are on right now. Now let's say if I have to put one lighting circuit off, or let's say I have to put the fan off, I just have to click it and the fan is off. I just have to click it and the fan is on again. To control the speed, there is a plus and minus sign here. We can utilize it to control the speed of the fan. Now, this is the first user interface, which is very easy to be used by maybe children or parents. So this becomes the first user interface. The second user interface that we can have on a home automation is something called as an infrared remote. So this is an IR remote control. Even this can be used to switch on the individual loads, control the speed of the fan, and it has one more feature wherein we can define something called as scenarios. So what are scenes or what are scenarios? Typically a scene or a scenario is something like a mood lighting, wherein by one single click we can make a combination of lights to be put on. So let's say if I say, for an example right now, if I say all off, so all the lights are off, and when I click on S1, so if you can see here, 1, 2 and 3 loads are on with one single click. So that is a typical scene. So this becomes our second user interface to use home automation. Now, the third user interface that we can have in the home automation is mobile itself. So a mobile app can be downloaded and we can use the mobile phone app to control all these lights and creates the scene and the moods. So let's have a look at that interface also. So this is how the app of home automation looks like in the mobile phone. So we have added both the modules, Living 1 and Living 2. When we click on Living 1, it shows all the loads which are programmed in Living 1 module. And as of now, since all the loads are off, it is all light gray color. When we click on one of the loads which we want to make it on, the color changes to bright white color. So let's say we have made 2 loads on right now. And if we have to do all on, there is a button on the top right corner. If we click on all on, all the loads will be on, and if we click on all off, all the loads will be off. Similarly, we have another module which is called as Living 2. So here also either we can make individual loads on and off, or we can do all on and we can do all off. One more thing I would like to depict here is the fan. So when we click on fan, if we keep resting the finger over it, we can even increase or decrease the intensity of the fan. So this fan is at 60% right now. So even the speed of the fan can be controlled with the app. And when we click on it, it is again off. If we go back, there's an option for scenarios also in the app. So we have defined a scenario called as movie time. When we click on the scenario, let's say we will edit the scenario. So if I click on edit, so what I have done is in the editing scene, we have added all the loads, but only 2 loads are made on right wall and the left wall. So when we save it, when we click on movie time, only 2 of those loads will be on simultaneously with one single click. And when we do movie off, both of those loads will be put off again. So this is a typical usage of the home automation app. So this is the third user interface, which is again very simple yet very effective and very user friendly. So with this we have covered basics of home automation and the available user interfaces to use a home automation solution. If you like the video, do share it with others. If you have any feedback, do share us in the comments section. With this, me, Vineet, I'm signing off and see you soon in our next technical video. Thank you.